Morning students, hope that you all will be fine. Students, today I am going to discuss your chapter number 3, trigonometric functions. In 10th class students, you have done trigonometry and you have done, that is, trigonometrical ratios, trigonometrical inverse, even you have done the degrees up to 0 to 90 degree, and some identities you have done in 10th class. Here in plus 1 class we are going to discuss degree measure. That is, in the degree measure students, remember that 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, 1 minute that is equal to 60 second. Now students, while we have to represent the angle, that is the angle of 360 degree, we are moving anti-clockwise. This is the initial side and that is the terminal side, and it complete an angle of 360 degree. With the same way here 180 degree, 270 degree, and students here in that one this angle is of 420 degree, because we will complete one rotation, we will come here, this will come as 360 and plus 60 degree, because this angle I have taken here of 60 degree, so it will come as 420 degrees then students. So here we are anti-clockwise, but while we will move clockwise students, then we will remember students, here I am moving clockwise, the angle will be negative in that case, so this is of minus 30 degree here. This whole thing that is given in your NCERT book even, this radian measure. So students, here if we having a circle, R is the radius, O is the center, and L is the length of the arc that draw this angle. So remember students, here theta is equal to L upon R, or L is equal to theta R. So here while you will find out this theta students, that will come in the form of radian. So now very important relation we are going to discuss, that is what is the relation between, that is degree and radian students. So remember 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree students. So we can say that 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi, that is in the form of degree, and 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. This is the relation between the radian and degree student, that is applicable in the exercise questions. Now here I have drawn one table for you where I have changed the degree into radian. So first is 30 degree, it is now pi by 6 in the form of radian. 45 degree, that is pi by 4, 60 degree, that is equal to pi by 3, 90 degree, that is equal to pi by 2, 180, that is pi, 270, that is 3 pi by 2, and 360 degree, that is equal to 2 pi here students. Means if anybody will say you 90 degree, write it in the form of radian, so you will say that this is equal to pi by 2 then students. So these are some basic things that we will use in the exercise questions. So let us come with the exercise question students. Here I am going to tell you how we will discuss some exercise question, that is your exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. So let us see students, come with question number 1. That is 25 degrees, there we have to change into radian. So here I have told you that we will change it into radian, that is equal to 1 degree is equal to pi by 18 radian. So it will come as equal to 25 into pi by 118, that is now in the form of radian. So it will come as 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 3 is there, 5 6 are 30, that is 5 by 36 pi radian. Here in the second part students, in the second part, minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. Now students, here it is given to you that minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. So this is minus 47 degree, degree is complete, we have to change this minute into degree now students. So it will come as, we can write it as 47 and 30 upon 60, and it will change into degree then. So from there you will having 1 by 2 means minus 47 and 1 by 2, that is equal to 47 2s are 94, 95 minus 95 by 2. Now it is in the form of degree. We have to change in the form of radian now. That will come as equal to, earlier I have told you, pi upon 180 with the 5 19s are 95 with 5 3s are 15 3s left 30, 5 6 are 30. So students, it will come as 19 by 72 pi, and now there is the minus sign, radian. So this is your answer. This is question number 1. This is question number 2. We have changed them in the form of radian, students. Now let us come, students, with question number 2. Find out the degree measure where the pi is given as 22 by 7. So now students, here it is 11 by 16. This is, we have to find out in the form of degree. So in case of degree, it will come as 180 upon pi. That is in the form of degree here, students. So because here the value of pi is given 11 by 16 into 180 upon 22 into 7. So we can cancel it, students. 11 1 is 11, 11's 2s are 22. With the 2 here it is 90. With the 2 here it is 8. There is 35, 45. So let us multiply. 7 5s are 35. 3 is there. 7 4s are 28 plus 3, that is 31 upon 8. That is in the form of degree here, students. Now what we will say, this 3 8 3s are 24. We having 7 left, student. It is 72 now. So 8 9s are 72. 3 left, that is 3 by 8 degree. Now student, this 39 degree is complete. Now we will have 3 by 8. We will change into minutes. It is multiplied by 60 here. Now this is in the form of minutes, students. With the 4 2s are 8. With the 4 15s are, it will come as 39 degree and 45 by 2, that is minute. Now students, here but you will say that 39 degree, if you will divide it, it will come as 22 minutes are complete. 1 by 2 left, we will change it to second, multiplied by 60, like this. So here we are getting the answer as 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. This is your question number 2. It's first part, students. Now students, let us come with the second part. Minus 4 radian. Now here minus 4, we have to change this radian into degree. This will come as 180 upon pi. This is 180. Now it is in the form of degree, students. This is minus 4 into 180. This is 22 into 7. With the 2 here it is 90. 90, this is 11. We will multiply them. They will come as 2520 upon 11 degree. So this will come, students, 2520 degree. Now what you will do, you will divide it minus, while you will divide it, students, with 11 2s are 22. We have left with the 3, 11 2s are 22. We are left with the 10, 100, 11 9 are 99. Then here it is 1 by 11. Now this is equal to minus 229, and students, now 1 upon 11, this is multiplied by 60 because we are going to change into second minute now. So this will come as 225 degree. Here it is degree, students. This is 11. 5s are 55. 5 minutes are complete, and 5 by 11. That is, we have to change into second now, like this. So it will come as minus 225 degree 5 minutes, and students, here it will come as 300 by 11 second, or 225 degree 5 minutes. And what we will do, students, now we will divide this by 11 and it will come as 27.2, that is minute, or even approx we can write 225 degree 5 minutes and 27 second. And that will be the answer of this question. That is its second part, students. Now let us come with the third part, 5 pi by 3, and fourth part is 5 pi by 6. Very simple this is. Here is the third part. Very simply we can do it 5 pi by 3. While we will change into these degree, it will come as equal to 180. That will come as equal to here, because we are changing into 5 pi by 3. We are changing into degrees. It will come as equal to 180 upon pi. So it will cancel out, students. This is now 3 6 are this one, that is 300. We will having 300 degree you will have. So very easily you can do these questions.